All right, guys, welcome back to another great video from Counterintelligence. As you can see, Troy is once again out of town. Him and Rick are currently up in Salt Lake City doing another one-day workshop. And if you're up there right now in Salt Lake, or if you're in Denver, which they'll be there tomorrow, and you're watching this video after attending our workshop, thank you so much for coming out. We absolutely just have a blast doing those. I know Troy really enjoys them. And if you don't know what our one-day workshop is, it's where you get to be up close and personal with the man himself, Troy, as he demonstrates several of our techniques, and then you actually get to do your very own board just like this. You get to pick your style, get to pick your colors, and then you get to see if you have what it takes to be the next Counter Eye franchise. So I wish those guys a very safe journey back home. And today, however, I kind of broke into Troy's pour room because I got addicted last time. If you saw our last video with me, you know that that was my very first time pouring epoxy. This is going to be my second time. And actually, today is September 7th, 2023, which is the opening day for the NFL season. And I am a die-hard Lions fan. I mean, I could spend an hour standing here talking to you about how much I love the Lions, but you didn't click on this video to see me cry. No, you clicked on it to see a Detroit Lions themed countertop. So today I'm going to do a new technique. The last video you saw, I did the hand marble technique. Today, I'm going to do the switchblade technique that involves this Bondo blade. And here are our colors. We have liquid black. If you're a Lions fan, you know that they had those alternate jerseys that were black that were so fire. We have our ultra white, our silver, and then we didn't have Honolulu blue. But we did have, I think this was called Avatar Blue, and it's a spray paint I mixed with the epoxy. It's a pretty close match, as close as I'm gonna get today. And so these are the Detroit Lions colors, so let's get right to it. I should have added more blue because I love the way it's looking, but I think that turned out pretty sweet. Some great marbleization right there. It's certainly not the best switchblade technique out there. Troy could destroy this 8 days a week, but I'm pretty happy. For this being my second board of all time, yeah, I'm not going to complain. All right, the only thing left to do is Just torch it, get rid of the little air bubbles. Don't do that. That is, man, I'm making rookie mistake after rookie mistake here. Got it on my leg. I didn't level it last time. I set my board on fire. Luckily, this is a dark epoxy, so it may amber a little bit. Hopefully, you won't be able to see it with it being so dark. If this was a white board, I would have just destroyed it. It would have been brown in 3 days in that spot. So don't do that. I clearly didn't wait long enough in between spraying the isopropyl, and I almost burned down Troy's pour room. So great success. I'm gonna wait another moment before I torch it. And that is how it's kind of done. Not really. Don't learn from me. Learn from Troy. This was simply a fun video. But if you're a Detroit Lions fan, let me know how you think this board came out and if this would be a piece that you would want in your Detroit Lions themed man cave. Oh, and we'll see you on the next one.
Catch you on the next one.
We'll catch you on the next one.